Brainstorm 2 in structure of my term project. The topic of my project is Printing Press Office Management System. In this brainstorm, I implemented the structure part of the system, similar to Homework 1 student grading system. The project is developed in Java using a console-based structure, and it includes CRUDL operations and backup restore functionality for all classes. In this project, I designed several entity class to represent the system structure. There is the entities are employee, machine, order, print job, material, and material usage. For each entity, there is a corresponding management class, manager class. The manager classes are responsible for handling all operations such as edit, add, delete, list, backup, and restore. Additionally, I use a storage class to handle file-based backup and restore operation using serialization. Um, Now I will explain the customer management.java. Um, the structure using the customer management class as an example. Each manager class include the following methods: add, to create new records; edit, to upgrade existing records; delete, to remove a record by ID; list all, to display all records; delete, to clear the list; backup, to save data into a file; and last of them is restore, to reload data from the file. All other manager classes follow the same structure, ensuring the consistency across the system. Um, let's open my main.java. All CRUDL methods are tested in the main class. For each entity, I follow the same test sequence used in Homework 1. Test flow is add sample data, list all record, edit the second record, list again, and backup the data, delete the third record, and list again, and restore the data, and last list all record after restore. Let's start my console. This is my console output. As you can see in the output, all operations are executed successfully. The backup and restore functions correctly recover the delayed data, and there are no runtime or complement error. The same test projects is applied to all classes in the system. Let me show you slowly like that. As you can see, there is no error. And in conclusion, the structure of the printing press office management system is fully implemented. All classes support CRUDL operations, backup and restore functionality, and all test results say all test results are successful. The project complies and run without error. Thank you for listening to me.